Well, you see, that is the thing. Tony, that mean you're out at, you know. Tony, 53 minutes from when you start, you know, Tony.
Yeah.
You start way by St. James sign there,
Yeah, right.
and you're up Chancellor in 50 minutes. Passing Teresita. At least you're getting some nice view. Hot sun and plenty breeze today, Tony.
Yeah, sunny not.
Sunny hot.
Lovely weather.
We saw Richard coming up. Richard stopped and said hello. Tony asked him, man, why he driving? So Tony, how your heart rate feeling there, boy?
Right now, 120.
120 means you ain't started exercise yet, thought.
No,
How you have me sweating, so trying to keep up pace with you, boy?
I'm doing slow today.
Today is a easy walk.
Yeah,
That why it feeling so hard.
it is a rest day. That what you say?
Today is my rest day, but this is not a rest.
Yeah, there's a rest.
We start down St. James Day, we going up Chancellor. This is Channalo. Well, we have reached Channalo trail yet. Beautiful view, boy, Tony.
Yeah, nice weather too.
Hey, Richard up there.
Yeah, Richard up there going.
Look, Richard. The red man going there.
Yeah, it's long back down the road.
Hololo, boy.
Yeah, we're going to the same.
That's where we're going. We're going across Channalo to get to that Hololo mountain. That's your boy Tony there, the moving trail marker. So Tony, boy, we now reach the crossroad. What you call this? This is where you make left, you're going up Breezy.
Yeah.
And if you make a right, you're going down. I don't want to say Madhouse. But it's a dead end.
No, you could go through the fencing.
You could go through the fencing.
Or over.
Or over.
Yeah.
Alright. And we continuing on.
Yeah.
Just under 6 kilometers. Tony, you're good. So Tony, this is the spot where you turn right.
Yeah, go straight on. Just follow this, you'll see some shack. And just continue on the trail and to go.
And that bringing you out.
On the road right next to the Madhouse.
Alright, and then you're back down St. Anne's Road,
Yeah.
going back.
You only have one trail you can do. Anybody who get lost as long as something wrong with them mentally.
They're going in the right direction anyhow, eh?
There's only one direction to go.
Alright,
Only one road.
and this is a nice wooden bridge in the middle at the Channalo loop. So almost 7 kilometers in, we're making the turn by Channalo. That's your walking trail marker, aka Tony Q in front. Look at that view. Port of Spain. We haven't reached the U-turn yet, as all I could see. That's Hololo where we're going to be hopefully coming down. Trail was nice and wide, a little narrow now, but manageable. Folks, at the end of February, we still have water in the mini waterfall. Ten kilometers in, and we at the turning point. Tony had to cut some bush.
Pick on my skin, boy. Well, pick on my skin.
We went through some bushworks.
That was the hardest part of it.
So folks, after Tony coaxed me all the way through Channalo, we finally make it to light pole 66. I had to take us along while Tony doing wall squats and thing and running uphill. The man at a different fitness level. 13 kilometers, 3 hours, 30 minutes. As I said, that's your boy over there. I wonder what you up to, you see? Well boy, hey! It's a beautiful view and a man doing wall squats behind me and I struggling. So we can see all you on the way down Hololo.